Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Have you ever wondered why some travel stories are more engaging than others? The answer lies in the power of anecdotes. Anecdotes, those little stories within a story, have an incredible ability to bring a destination to life, making it more relatable and engaging for the reader. They offer more than just a description of a place. They offer a sense of the experience, the emotions, the atmosphere. Imagine reading about a bustling Moroccan souk. Now picture the story infused with an anecdote about a haggling match with a rug seller, the taste of sweet mint tea, or the chaotic symphony of sounds that assault the senses. Suddenly, you're not just reading about a place, you're transported there, feeling the writer's emotions, sharing their experiences. Anecdotes are like personal tour guides, leading you through the writer's journey, helping you see what they see, feel what they feel. Anecdotes are the secret ingredient that can transform a good travel story into a great one. Let's explore how some successful travel writers use anecdotes to captivate their readers. Take, for instance, a writer who, during a sunny afternoon in a quaint Italian town, struck up a conversation with an elderly local. This wasn't just a chat about the weather or the quality of the local olive oil. It was a heartwarming tale of the local's life, his family's generations-old connection to the town, and their traditions. This single, simple interaction became an anecdote that painted a vivid picture of the town's culture and way of life. It was a peek into the soul of the place, far deeper than any guidebook could provide. Now let's trek into a different terrain, the rugged landscapes of the Himalayas. Another writer shares an anecdote of an unexpected adventure while hiking. A sudden change in weather, a missed trail sign, and what was supposed to be a straightforward day hike turned into a night under the stars. This anecdote, while highlighting the unpredictability of travel, also showcased the thrill that comes with it. It conveyed the sense of adventure, the resilience of the human spirit, and the beauty found in unexpected situations. These real-life experiences, expressed as anecdotes, add a human touch to travel stories. They're not just about places, but about people, interactions, and emotions. These examples demonstrate how anecdotes can make a travel story more vivid, personal, and engaging. So, why are anecdotes so important in travel writing? Well, we've seen how they breathe life into destinations, making readers feel they're right there with you. They share your personal experiences and emotions, inviting readers to join the journey. Anecdotes provide insights into local cultures, highlight the unpredictable surprises that travel brings, and add a personal touch to your stories. Remember, a travel story without anecdotes is like a journey without adventures. So next time you write about your travels, don't forget to include your anecdotes.